Welcome back to the Lab of Doom. This is part of my series of Lazy Dad recipes. These are recipes I go to when it is my turn to cook, but I want to put in that minimal effort. Today we are cooking chicken nugget parmesan. Is it traditional chicken parm? No. Is it as good as Nana's made from scratch chicken parm that takes her half a day to make? Also no. Is it super tasty considering the small amount of effort we need to put it together? Absolutely. So let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need chicken nuggets. Mine are frozen dino-shaped monstrosities, but I'm sure other kinds would work. Even some from Chick-fil-A drive-thru would probably work. Mozzarella slices. I found these Kraft mozzarella singles sitting in my fridge, but any mozzarella will do. Macaroni noodles, any shape you like, but I picked elbow. Marinara sauce. Any jar of pasta sauce will do. You probably won't even need a whole jar unless you really want to douse a pile of noodles. And then butter, because butter makes it better. I'm not going to specify quantities because it really depends on whether you like a lot of sauce and noodles or if you can down like a ton of nuggets at a single sitting. I think you can figure all that out. First thing we do after we gather our ingredients is start boiling some water because it takes forever to boil water. And we can do a lot of other things while we're waiting for that to get done. I like to add a bunch of salt to the water to help things move along faster. While we're at it, put the marinara sauce on simmer on the back burner. Don't forget about the sauce back there though. Remember to stir it occasionally. Then I get my frozen nuggets cooking in the toaster oven. Look at those T-Rexes just itching to be eaten. With the water boiling, get that pasta in the pool. When it is done to your liking, strain out the pasta and put it back in the pot so we can mix in the secret ingredient. Well, maybe it's not so secret, but according to my anecdotal data, people tend to prefer the taste of buttery noodles, even in dishes that don't normally call for butter. Now get those nuggets out of the oven and get ready to assemble. Put the pasta down, then marinara sauce on top of that, and then the nuggets on top of that. Then we top it off with cheese. I don't completely cover the nuggets because the chicken isn't usually completely smothered in the traditional dish. But you do you. Now I could use a salamander or a broiler to put the final melt on these guys, but 30 seconds in a microwave will certainly do the job as well. And there you have it. Chicken nugget parmesan. Hope you enjoy it. My kids did anyhow. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.